Good morning, class 12th. Now I'm here to explain one new program related to the inheritance. Okay, so now programs I have sent you the pics, so see from there question. Okay, so in this question is given two classes. First class name is what? A student, and second one is given their marks. Okay, so first class is called what? Base class. So base class coding simply you will do. Okay, so how will you do that? Class student, like the previous one, student and scanner are all the things you write down there. Input data, so all the data you enter here. Now print data, so now in this one you will print these details. Okay, so it's a completed. Close the, this is the end of the first class. Name is what? Student. Now you write the coding of the second class. How will you write? Class marks extends. This word is a very important. When you will miss this one in exam, so cut the marks. Okay, so please pay attention there. Extends students. So now what is the meaning of this one? Now marks class can access these two properties, this one, and also the variables can access here. So now how it will work? So you can see in your question कि marks class has some variables. You also write here. So how many variables? Float variables given there. So now these are the float variables, and one character variable is given there, GD. Okay, so now come on here, void read data. Read data means what? Enter the marks of the physics, chemistry, maths in these subjects. So here you will enter the marks. Okay, so now come on the next page. So what is your next page? This one. So here I have written the calculate function, compute function. In this one you will compute the total marks, then previous percentage, and these are the condition which one is given in your question. According to that, according to put the value in GD. Okay, so now void show. Here you will show this detail, only total marks, percentage, this one, and grade, GD. So these three values you will print here. So after that, now you will write the main function. In main function, so here this is a very important. Here what will you do? You will create object for the marks class, not for the student class. Now I will show here how marks class object will access the properties of the first class. First class means what? Class student. So how it will work? So now I create here the object of the marks class. Marks ob new marks. Okay. So now you write down here ob.input data. Input data is a class, a function of the first class. So you can say when you will write it, so it will work here. Means what? This one is showing that object of the marks means what? Ob can access the function of the superclass. So now when you will write ob.print data, you can also see that print data will call here, and it will display the details which one you have printed in that. So now you call the read data. Read data is what? This is the function of the marks class. Okay, so now compute. Then finally you will call ob.show. In show, what will you show? Display, here you will show the grades, percentage, and total. Or what will you show on in print data? Name of the employee, name of the student, and roll number. So please pay attention there. In your question given name and square bracket array given, so there is only name. Okay, don't be confused there. Okay, so now this question you try to solve. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you how call the constructor of the super class. Okay, so now God bless you. Thank you. If any doubt you can call me and send this one for correction.